Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Do you enjoy playing sports? Welcome to this video on verb plus gerund. In this video, you will learn what a gerund is, common verbs that are followed by gerunds, and how to use a gerund in the negative form. What is a gerund? A gerund is the ing form of a verb. It is used as a noun. Do you enjoy traveling? In this sentence, traveling is a gerund. It is used as the object of the verb enjoy. Common verbs that are followed by gerunds. The following verbs are followed by gerunds. Enjoy. I enjoy listening to jazz music. Finish. Mike finished sweeping the floors at around midnight. Quit. Stephanie quit drinking coffee a year ago. Mind. Would you mind opening the window? Postpone. I postponed starting a family because I didn't feel ready. Put off. I sometimes put off doing the necessary paperwork at my job. Keep or keep on. Keep spreading positivity or keep on spreading positivity. It helps others feel better. Consider. We're considering taking a trip to Europe. Think about. Marianne is thinking about buying a house. Discuss. They discussed building a website for their new business. Talk about. They talked about buying a cake for the birthday party. Negative form. To use a gerund in the negative form, use not before the gerund. Here are some examples. We're considering not going to Europe this summer. Dave is thinking about not going to college. They talked about not buying expensive things. I enjoy not feeling rushed all the time. In this video, you learned what a gerund is, common verbs that are followed by gerunds, and how to use a gerund in the negative form.